Hey everyone, I ordered a new mower, a new robot mower. I ordered the Luba 2 all-wheel drive 5000. The reason that I got this particular model is I live on an acre with a house in the middle. So it'll mow max mowing size 1.25 acres. The in-app storage capacity is 1.5 acres, so that should be good enough for me. Max multi-zone management is 30. Max multi-zone management means you zone out your area, and then you have to zone those obstacles you wanted to avoid, and you also have to make pathways between them. So you can do that up to 30 times. So the point of this video, and it's going to be delivered today, the point of this video, here's an overlay of my house. I'm coming from an Ecoflow. I had an Ecoflow Blade. If you wanted to see more information about that, it was not very good for me. So I'm hoping that this mower does better. But I found out from the Ecoflow Blade, I really need to map out my area, and I need to go into this with a game plan. So the point of this video is to map out my area. It's going to be kind of long because I'm going to be drawing on this picture. And if you're not interested, that's fine. But I thought maybe this might help somebody in pre-planning for your mower. So I'm just going to get into this, and I'm going to start drawing out the areas. So I have a front yard. I have a front yard that needs to be mowed, what I call the dog's yard that needs to be mowed, and then the back 40 that we never go out to. It has my solar panels on it. So I'm going to start off with the back 40. I'm going to use green. So the mower is going to start here. I'm going to take it around there, take it along my fence line. Luckily, these trees are in the neighbor's yard, but they are overhang. So I'm going to go to here. Now, right here, there is a ridge, and these trees are actually in a low spot. This used to be pasture land, and so this used to be an actual stock tank for livestock and water area, watering hole for them. I want this area here, I want this area in the top right-hand corner to be its own separate mowing area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this around, and I've got a sprinkler head here. It's kind of hard to see on this map, but I'm going to go around that sprinkler head. Then I'll take it around this area. Then I'm going to go up here, over and over. So I've got my back planned out. This is 1, so this counts as 1. Now I'm going to put in my restricted areas. I have a concrete pad here that I need to restrict. I have the solar panels, obviously, so I need to put a restriction there. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pillars. Those need to be restricted areas. I do want it to mow underneath the solar panels, so it's just going to go around those pillars. And then I have another sprinkler head right about here that I need to restrict. So there's all my restriction areas in the back. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 restricted areas in the back 40, shall we say. Now, let's do the dog's yard. So in the dog's yard, bring it out this path. I don't know what that white thing is. Bring it out here, there, go around this shed, down. I have a little rock garden here. And I think I want to take it out and around like this. Down, down. So that's going to be area number 2. And then my septic system is here, so I want to exclude that. This patio cover has 3 poles here, so I need to exclude those 3 poles. And then I have a little tree right around there, so I want to exclude that. I don't think there's anything else that needs to be excluded. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 exclusions here. And then you have to put a pathway between these 2 areas. So I'm going to have a pathway connecting those. And you can open up this metal garage has roll-up doors. So I'll just create a pathway there. Then I have one more area. It's going to be hard because this is in the way. Get that out of the way. All right, so front yard. Front yard, I have this area here. It's hard to tell, but this is grass. So there's one. And then this is the area goes around my air conditioner, fence line, all the way down here to the street, around. This is where it gets to be interesting. So I have a mailbox here, it's gotta go around. I think what I'm gonna do is try to map it this way. This culvert is actually a pretty good angle, so I don't know if it's gonna be able to get up and down this area. I may end up later just having to erase it, but we'll see. So we'll just have to see how this works. For now, I'll take it around like this. There and there. So this is area 3 and area 4. Then I have to make a pathway to those. Oops. So I've actually got a roll-up door here. It's going to go through this garage, down here to this first area. That'll be one pathway, and then I'll need a pathway between these 2 areas. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3 pathways. Now I need to go through my exclusion zones in the front yard. I have a tree here, a tree there, and then it's hard to tell, but I actually have water meters here and there, so those water meters need to be excluded. I don't think I have anything else. So let's count these up and see what we come up with here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 exclusions in the front. So we do the math. There's 9, 10, 11. That's 16, 23, plus 4 is 24. So I've got 24. I actually counted, so I'm obviously missing some. I counted, I think I counted close to 30 exclusion zones. Oh, I forgot an area. Well, that's why. So my lot actually goes down here. So I'll need this area as well. So this will be area 5. And then there's going to need to be a pathway to it. I should be able to drive it here. So that'll give me pathway number 4. Ooh, I forgot about this area back here. This is where I get close to 30. Because this is gonna come down. There's a big old tree here. It's hard to see. That's actually a tree. So it's gotta go to here. This will be area number 6. And in area number 6, I have at least one exclusion right here where this tree is. I think I can get away with just that one exclusion. So that'll give me, if my math's right, that'll give me 18 exclusions, 6 areas, and oh, I'm gonna need another pathway. Gonna need a pathway connecting these two. So once I get that pathway connecting those two, that'll be 5 paths. So that's my 5th path. So it puts me right around 29 or 30. I think as I counted it up yesterday, I came up with 30 exactly. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully the little unit can handle all this. I'll find out today. It arrives this afternoon, and I'm going to start making all this up this afternoon. My plan is to do a video of the unboxing and a video of setting it up. I plan on setting it inside of this shed here in the middle. That's my hope, that I can set it inside that shed and then just have it go out from there. But we'll see. If I have to put it in the grass, I have to put it in the grass. So I'm hoping though that I can put it in that shed. But I'll do a setup video and then I'll do a video mapping all of this out. So thanks for watching. Well, if you made it this far, congratulations. I appreciate it. Subscribe for more content. Thanks.